log of 10,368 to the base x is equal to a and log of 4374 to the base x is equal to b, we are required to find out the value of 216 to the base x in terms of a and b. So if you are first looking at the numbers, what is the value of 10368? If you are doing the prime factorization of it, this is equal to 2 times 5184. Now 5 and 84 is a multiple of 9, so if you divide this by 9, this is equal to 2 into 9 into 576. What is 576? We know that 576 is 24 whole square. So this is equal to 2 into 3 square into 24 whole square. 24 itself is equal to 3 into 8, that is 2 cubed. So 24 square will be equal to 3 square into 2 to the power 6. So the given number is equal to 2 into 3 square into 3 square into 2 to the power 6, which is equal to 2 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 4. Similarly, what is the value of 4374? If you are doing the prime factorization of 4374, this is equal to 2 times 2187. You should immediately recognize that 2187 is equal to 729 into 3. 729 is 3 to the power 6. So 2187 is 3 to the power 7. So this is equal to 2 into 3 to the power 7. And what is the value of 216? 216 is equal to 6 cube, which is equal to 2 cube into 3 cube. So the given two equations represent log of 2 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 4 to the base x is told to be equal to a, and log of 2 into 3 to the power 7 to the base x is told to be equal to b, and we are required to find out the value of log of 2 cube into 3 cube to the base x. So to simplify, let us assume that log of 2 to the base x is equal to p and log of 3 to the base x is equal to q. So the first equation, which is log of 2 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 4 to the base x, will be equal to 7p plus 4q. This is equal to a, and the second equation will be equal to p plus 7q is equal to b. And what we are required to calculate is log of 2 cube into 3 cube to the base x, that is, we are required to calculate the value of 3p plus 3q, or essentially we are required to calculate the value of 3 into p plus q. Now if you can get the coefficient of p and q to be the same, we will easily find out the value of 3 into p plus q. How are you going to do it? There are multiple ways in which you can do it. You are given two equations and you have two unknowns, so you can calculate the value of p in terms of a and b. You can calculate the value of q in terms of a and b. But the simplest way to do it is, if you are looking at both the equations, the difference between the coefficient of p is 6, that is 7 minus 1, and the difference between the value coefficient of q is minus 3. So essentially what we will do is, because the ratio of the difference is 2:1, we will multiply the first equation with twice, and we will multiply the second equation once, and then we will add it. So if you multiply the first equation twice, it will be equal to 14p plus 8q is equal to 2a, and the second equation, if you are adding it, will be p plus 7q is equal to b. So if you add both of them, you are going to get 15 times p plus q is equal to 2a plus b. Now all that you need to do is divide both sides with 5. So 3 times p plus q will be equal to 2a plus b divided by 5. So the required answer over here is 2a plus b divided by 5.